now with Joe Omera. He is the CEO of Weldcote. No longer Weldcote Metals, but just Weldcote now. Talk about some of the changes that you guys have been going through in the recent years, Joe, and what expanded offering that's led to.
Okay, so basically our core concept is, we're walking with product around a welder. So we've got a whole filler metal product line that we've expanded with welding hose and electrode holders and things like that. And then we have a whole program for abrasives. We manufacture in the U.S. our flap discs, and we have a whole program for safety with welding helmets, with our display here and welding gloves. And then we also have designed, in-house our welding machines. So those are the four groups of product. We've got separate literature for each of them, and that's the core products that we're going to build around. And that's why we changed our name from Weldcote Metals to Weldcote.
Perfect. And a lot of the distributors already know Weldcote a little bit. If you could just pinpoint maybe one thing that they don't know about you, what would you say?
Well, the fact that we've grown from like 1,500 items in stock in 2017 to 3,000 items in stock now is probably hard for us to kind of get that across on a consistent basis. When you have 5, 10, 15 minutes at a show sometimes. So we try to separate the literature and walking people through, and everything's on our website. All our catalogs, all our images. So just the massive product line expansion we've had is, like for people who can pop by and look for 5 minutes, everyone's kind of like, wow.
Yep, I've been seeing a lot of new things from Weldcote. I thought it would be valuable to sit down with you and kind of catch up and fill the distributors in on what they might not know. What about the value that you guys bring aside from just the products? Speak to that.
Okay, well, I wake up and I'm a product manager. So I'm always looking to make sure we have competitive advantages in the marketplace. We're fine-tuning our products to make them, as good, or good looking, like our new Nebula helmets and our emerald green that very big in the market with our new welding helmet display. We've come out with new ceramic grain technology on flap discs that we make. So just constant and looking to innovate and come up with high quality products that the market will accept and allow our distributors to make a higher gross margin.
All right, very good. Exciting times for Weldcote. Appreciate the time, Joe. Appreciate everything that you do for us throughout the year. Always good to see you here at the GAWDA events. You're a staple, and we hope you keep coming back. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it, Tim. Thanks a lot, and thanks for everything you guys do for the organization.